Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to right click using keyboard in Windows. So this is very easy to right click in keyboard using keyboard. So first you need to I will tell in taskbar taskbar I will shift plus F10. This is shortcut. You see this is right click, just press and hold shift plus F10. So this is very easy and simple method, just two keys to right click. So this is very easy and a simple method. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.